Lars Young. Lars Young.
Oh yeah, baby. Got that BumpBoxx going. Team BumpBoxx BMX. You already know what it is. Hey, let me show y'all what's up. Let me let y'all hear this.
Lars Young.
Failure is not an option. Don't need no interruptions. So miss me with that nonsense. I ain't got time. I cannot get complacent. I have to stay persistent and consistent for you all to feel my presence. I am determined to be prosperous. Raining hell on these naysayers. Thunderous, riding heavy in these streets. Rhinoceros. Good, I wanna be the best. I'm gonna be the best. Like the game of life is a contest. I keep my head high, chest out, full of confidence. So many achievements, almost time to take a talk to my accomplishments. I'm talking triumph, victory. I prayed to God for my success, and it was like it happened instantly. Shout out to all the social networks and the technology. My name is well known, and I love it. Success came from me, and not in one from it. And not in one from it. FANAYOH, yep, FANAYOH. FANAYOH, yep, FANAYOH. FANAYOH, yep, FANAYOH. Hey, FANAYOH, yep, FANAYOH. They say, what goes up must come down. But I'm floating around, levitating off of the ground. Don't let no squares in my circles, cause my circle is round. I'm high off life, man, higher than that airplane. Think about how far I came and how my life changed. I made my own lane, stay focused on my goals. Pick up the dice and didn't hesitate to roll. Yeah, I took chances, yeah, I played the field. But I always stayed me, I always stayed real. Now I got my face on $100 bill. Got my labels on clothes. Club owners and promoters calling me for shows. Relax and take notes. Download the Lars Young app to your phone. Android and Apple, both. They say I have a business mind like 50 Bumpy and JC, but in all reality, I'm really thinking like me. Shout out to my wife, my granny and my moms. Check me out at IamLarsYoung.com. Check me out at IamLarsYoung.com. Check me out at IamLarsYoung.com. Yeah, FANAYOH, yep, FANAYOH. FANAYOH, yep, FANAYOH. FANAYOH, yep, FANAYOH. Hey, FANAYOH, yep, FANAYOH.
Bring that over here. Bring that back one time. Bring that. You know what I'm saying? Had to let y'all hear that for yourself. You know what I mean? Hey, it's real out here. BumpBoxx, Team BumpBoxx BMX. Man, hey, this carrier right here, the backpack, super comfortable. You know what I'm saying? I know it looked big, but it's actually comfortable. It got padding in the straps. It got padding on the back. It just feels good. It's like perfect, you know what I'm saying? It even got the support for your chest if you want to put it on there. It also have the straps so you can strap it real tight to your shoulders. Excellent, excellent. So man, if you got this thing on tight the way you're supposed to have it on, it's gonna be supported well, and you're gonna be all good, you know what I'm saying? Hey, shout out to BumpBoxx, man. Oh my goodness. Hey, this is off the hook. Shout out Damon. Yo, shout out everybody, man, that got anything to do with the whole BumpBoxx BMX movement, the whole BumpBoxx movement, man, everything. Shout out to the whole team. Hey, get yourself a BumpBoxx. Don't forget the bag, the backpack, the special backpack just for it. Don't forget this. Don't forget to use my promo code. Team BumpBoxx Lars. TEAMBUMPBOXX LARS. So that's Team BumpBoxx with 2 X's, Lars. Don't forget to check me out. You know what I'm saying? Use that promo code, 10% off your entire purchase. You know what I'm saying? Get 10% off at www.bumpboxx.com. Hey, gotta do it.
Lars Young. Lars Young.